haven't.
Alright, you can open it.
Wait, is this a photograph or a video?
This is a video. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, what's up in that box you have in there?
What is in here? I want to see.
Wait, what's with the
Tape?
Can we open that?
no? What's
Help
with the markers in your fingers?
Oh, I was
Right here.
and that was from
Okay.
art. I
Here,
was in
now you can pull those apart. Here, up here.
Wow.
Say thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
This is
I
from
wonder what-
Grandma G and Gary.
Mr. Pat.
Ooh, this
Here,
is
hold on.
gotta
Can
be
you turn
good.
Okay.
This gotta be good.
Yeah.
And
These are some presents.
Hey, whoa. Read the card, girl.
what does it say? I'll help you read. I'll translate it from whatever kind of
What does it say?
you are in.
Caleb, what does it
I'll
say?
translate it if she can't exactly write good.
Okay.
I mean, read
Guys,
good. Sing and dance, whirl and twirl. You're the best birthday girl with lots of love. Happy birthday from Grandma and Grandma G and Gary. Isn't
Alright.
that nice they gave you? I wonder what could be in here.
yeah.
Something.
This is a pretty wrapping paper.
Look at this.
What is that? Ooh.
Look, I have one of those, but it's a different type.
Well, you get another one now,
Yeah,
too.
That one's fresh. It hasn't been used.
Ooh,
What's
that
this?
heart-shaped?
Caleb, let her
We'll take
open
her
it.
from her.
I can't open this out.
Need some scissors?
Scissors?
I wonder what you're going to be doing.
Okay, there you go.
And
What is it? What is it? I can't believe what is it? Maybe it's something that's shaped like a heart. It should be.
maybe something that involves some love, like they have.
Chocolate. It must be chocolate.
Yeah, like what you do in Valentine's. Or maybe it could be a heart-shaped cake or something.
Let's see. Let's see
Go.
what's in here. Let's see.
What is that?
Case of stuff. Beautiful.
Is it stickers?
Yes, sticker case.
Is there a
Let me see. Ooh, Caitlin, that looks like some awesome craft stuff.
Yeah, that's a craft sticker. What are these? Papers?
Ooh, that looks like lots of craft stuff.
phone?
Yeah, they're made of foam, and those are craft stuff.
Ooh.
There's different colors. Woo! Even red. It must be red too. It must be
And
red.
black, green, so many more.
Yeah. So many. They have orange. Oh, what's my last present?
We'll have to find out.
Yeah.
Caitlin by today.
Yeah.
That looks like a lot of stuff that we can do on craft time.
Yeah. It does.
I'll gather it up.
Ooh.
Look, there's even cheddar in it.
Cheddar.
Cheddar ones. There's cheddar. What is it? What could it be?
Wait, and what is it?
What is that?
Sparkly pipe cleaner.
Careful, Caleb. No.
We'll leave it in the bag for now.
Yeah, that's craft.
What do you say?
Thank you.
And